Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Ann here with us this afternoon. And Ann came all the way down here from Vancouver, British Columbia, right?
Yeah.
You and Charles both came down here because your husband Charles is a crack addict, and he wanted to get you checked out too. But you hate chiropractors, right?
Yes.
You don't like the cracking noise, right?
Not at all.
So if you don't like crack, don't watch this video. Okay, so I'm going to have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards for me. You know the reason most people hate chiropractors? Because they've been to one.
No.
Okay, and you said the one that you went to twisted you like a pretzel, right? And it hurt you?
Yeah.
Okay, guess what? I don't do that. So you see, I can tell. Now, she's had some neck and upper back pain, stiffness. She gets headaches frequently. And she also reluctantly told me she gets some right SI joint pain down here. We had to drag that out of her, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
Okay, let's go here on your tummy for me. She asked me if it was okay to scream, and I said sure. And see, her right leg is a shorter by 1/2 inch in this prone position, but when I bring her legs up, it actually evens out. So that's a positive Knockless and Deerfield test on the right. That tells me her leg's not anatomically short. It's coming from that SI joint right there, and that's tender, isn't it, Ann? See, she's screaming now. And there's L5, L4. These are all sore, aren't they? She's not meant to much. That's tender right there too. And that's tight. You can't not say those aren't tight. That's tender on the right there and the left right there. And you get headaches right there. It goes all the way around. So I did a sacral deviation test on here. I'm going to have you lift your whole right leg off the table. Okay. Now do the same thing with the left one. Now this left one was harder, wasn't it?
Yes.
So she actually has a right sacroiliac subluxation, but she has a left sacral deviation, which we see quite frequently. So I'm going to start off adjusting her left sacral deviation here. I told you some of these bones were going to be sore at first. That's not me, that's just you being out of place. There, that's your right SI. It'll feel better when it quits hurting. Okay. And she hates cracking noises. There we go. I see more laughing than I do screaming, though. Don't you?
Wow. I'm not expecting this now.
There we go. Okay, good. Let's turn you on your back now, please.
That hurts. Okay.
Charles, you have to put up with this all the time?
Yes.
All day, every day.
Okay, I'm going to put your head on straight. When you're young, your mom and dad used to. Now you can't. Good. Okay, now slide down this way a little bit. Now put your arms straight out to the sides. No, like Jesus on the cross. There we go. Straight out, palms up. Adjust your shoulders, your clavicles, and then your anterior ribs right here. Now some of these are probably going to be sore. And you said you had some popping in your chest every once in a while too, huh?
Yes.
Okay, you can relax your hands on your tummy. Let me have this leg.
Oh, Lordy.
There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your low back, did you? Yep. There we go. Good girl. Alrighty. Let's set you up and face that away.
Oh, goodness.
Yep. Hey, the cracking's just beginning.
Oh, my God. What are we doing?
You're not doing anything. I'm working. You're just whining. There, okay, so adjust your shoulders, elbows, wrists,
Ow.
hands,
That's the part I
fingers.
don't like.
Well, you don't like anything. Okay, now come over here on this one.
That's more.
Oh yeah, this is the big one here. Right here, butt right here. I'm gonna use all these big technical terms now. Butt there, head up that way. Okay, lay on your back for me, please.
Feet that way?
Yes, ma'am. So, the thing to remember about this video is she hates chiropractic and cracking. So that's why she specifically came down here all the way from Vancouver, British Columbia. Slide down underneath here a little bit. That's the inside joke.
What is going on here?
This is our weight reduction program.
Ow! Ow, that hurts. Oh my God.
Breathe shallow through your nose. Push away from these. No, just push. Push. Push away. Don't pull, push.
Which way?
Push. Push.
I am pushing. Down?
Okay.
I am
No,
pushing.
if you're pulling, that's pulling down.
Yeah, but
You
I'm
gotta
pushing.
push,
That's
push
what I'm
away.
doing.
Well, when you
But
ask me
don't-
what push means then.
No, I said which way? Because you're like pull.
Well, there's only one way to push.
That's what I was doing.
Okay.
But that hurts.
Keep your mouth shut.
Oh.
Breathe. There you
Ow!
go.
Ow!
Now that's a crack for you.
Ow!
Mhm.
Oh, that is not fun.
Okay.
Ow.
Sure it is.
Oh,
That's what you specifically came down here for. Ring dinger.
oh no.
Drop this in my hand. Now see, I knew you'd love this one too.
No.
Wiggle your left big toe for me.
What?
Wiggle your left big ear. There you go. Okay.
That part was not fun.
Yeah, it was.
No.
For me, it was.
I'm sure it was.
Okay. Now, Ann, let me help you up sideways here.
Please.
There we go.
Oh.
Now, I want you to stand right here in front of the mirror. You're in Houston now, so we're going to shoot you.
After this, huh?
So I'm going to have you close your eyes and
Okay.
bend your head forward and backwards for me, please.
Ow.
Normal.
That hurt a bit.
Okay, hold on. Now, just pull these up and back. Hold those there for me.
Okay.
Flare these hands way back here like that.
Okay.
See, your head's way forward, so I'm going to bring it straight back. Spread your
Okay.
feet a little further apart, or I'm going to knock you over. Okay, now look backwards at the wall behind you. Squeeze your shoulders together, though. I'm adjusting your atlas on the x-axis, which is going to send a nerve impulse to your cerebellum. It's going to change your biomechanical alignment to your proprioception. Okay, so now I want you to close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards again and tell me if this feels a little smoother than the last couple.
Oh, hold on. Ooh, my
Just
head
bend
is
your
a
head
little.
forward and backwards.
Okay.
I bet you that felt smoother than the previous two.
It is.
Imagine that.
But
Take a
it's
look in the
sore.
mirror right now. Well, you're going to be sore after your first adjustment, so that's normal. It's kind of like you ever go to the gym and work out for the first time and you hadn't been in a long time?
Yes.
What do you get the first time?
Soreness.
Sore. Yeah,
For
that's
sure.
the same thing you're going to get after your first chiropractic adjustment in, what, 20 years? Since 2010.
Yeah, probably.
So, you came all the way here hating chiropractic care, so what did you think about your whole experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
Oh, not bad. Just
Not
this part
bad.
I didn't like. Everything else was good except for that, the neck part.
Ring ding.
No, that's the best part.
Oh no, I don't know.
Well, what was for me?
I'm
You'll
sure.
feel a lot better when it quits hurting.
Definitely, I hope so.
Very good. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief from Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.